got it wrong at Selly Oak. I said we were going to Northfield next. Well, we're at Bournville. Let's start the session at Bournville with the departure of 323-201. Working from Four Oaks down to Redditch. And it's also a couple to 323-205. Oh, it's working down to Bromsgrove actually. I can't believe that I'm at the home of the Cadbury World. There's a sign to prove it. Right, see how much we see in this 15-minute session. Action, well, fast action of the session will be 220-009 and 220-034, working from Edinburgh Waverley down to Plymouth at 18:19. Cross-country Voyagers. Here we go, Voyagers incoming. And it's the ones I just said about on the, well, the ones that I read the numbers from on real-time trains. Voyagers, then Edinburgh Waverley to Plymouth. And there they go, right. 323's next, and there is actually a decent chance that one of these is 221. Coming back from Bromsgrove, which is where we saw it going down to Selly Oak. And not just only live in the hope, get 323-221. What a start! This is a brilliant session. 323-221 in the beautiful Central livery, coupled to 323-206. Goes 323-221. And 323-206. Final action of the session is going to be ours out of Bournville, that will be taking us down to Northfield. Yeah, or is it Kings Norton? Well, it might be Kings Norton, to be fair. I'm not 100% sure what station we're going to next. It's either Northfield or Kings Norton. It's one of them two. Just awaiting the arrival of our 323s now. Down there, off in the distance. I think it's Kings Norton. It's either Kings Norton, yeah, because it's Kings Norton, Northfield, and then Longbridge. 3 stations left for today. And obviously the Snow Hill Line content will also be going up tomorrow once I have filmed it. Our units incoming, I might just be a unit to be fair, is 323-219. Working down to Redditch. And this is our unit to, I believe, Kings Norton.